In today's episode of We Bought a Fixer Upper, we're going over the before and after shots of our pool that we installed. This is obviously the before, since we don't see a pool in sight. You see the lake out in the background, but no pool yet. This has been a project that's been on the back of our minds for several years, ever since we moved in, but we just hadn't pulled the trigger yet, and now it's time to do that. The waiting list to get a pool these days is insanely long. In fact, the place that did install our pool has over a 1-year wait list to even get on their schedule. But luckily, in February of 2020, whenever we started looking at doing our home renovations, we had Pete Allowine come out and look at our yard. They put together a plan, we gave the deposit, so we were already in the system. And that is a good thing, because whenever I called about having them come out to give us a quote for a pool, I thought they were gonna have to start all over. We were in the system, and that put us on the schedule for getting in very, very quickly. They started construction in the middle of May and finished in the middle of July. I believe it was July 15th was the first day that we actually took a dip in the pool. So just over 8 weeks from start to finish for our Gunite pool. We eventually want to move that blue, gorgeous storage shed over to the side and turn that into a bar, restroom area / pool house type thing. Our house is filled with never-ending projects, like finishing this porch right here, for example. That's on the list too. And now it's time for the after shot. So we'll start over here at the jacuzzi. It was actually a last minute decision to add this to our plan. And we've got the spillover over here. We don't have the propane tank heated up or hooked up for heat yet, which will be nice whenever we get to that point. But as you can see, we have the spillover right here. When they were originally starting to put that in, they had like a gray. We wanted black so it was pop. So we got the black to pop for a little bit of color. So here we have a seat and then another seat along the edge. And the stairs go down the side right here because the back part of the pool is exposed. And the deepest part of the pool is about 6 feet. Look at this beautiful landscape. So as you can see, the back part of the pool is exposed. We are going to change that color.
Definitely.
He doesn't like it. He's not a fan of the beige because it doesn't go with the white and the black and the gray. So we'll change that at some point. And our plans are to do some hardscape here, maybe with the fire pit, move that up. But that's further down the road. We're going to figure that out. So then we have the stairs coming up the right side too. The next project with this is to have some railings put along the side to keep people from falling off the side, because that would not be fun. A couple of lounge chairs, and then we have our area over here for hangout. But then we have the sun shelf right here that is fantastic. We can put some chairs right there, and there are bubblers, and there's a spot to put an umbrella for shade. But this time of day, we don't need shade, which is nice. Back over here we have the steps And we've had them add the little blue tile squares to kind of help differentiate to where you know those are steps or that's a seat or something like that. So, of course, some leaves have managed to make their way into the pool. We'll have to get those out. Correct?
Yes, that means Aaron.
Yes, okay, that's what I figured. And we wanted to do some seating, so we just did a swing over there and some rocking chairs and a couple of chairs right here. We haven't figured all of that out yet, but this is the finished product. It took about 8.5 weeks, and we are thrilled with it. I'm ready to get in right now, which is why I have my bathing suit on. So, let's go.
Go. We're gonna film you. Get in.
Really?
Cannonball.
Real? I'm not doing a cannonball.
Do something good.
Well, I have this on.
Yeah.
I'm okay.
Just take that off.
He's forcing me to do this.
Woo!
This is wonderful.
Closing comments, Aaron?
The only thing that's missing now is a Mai Tai.
Yes.
But that means I have to get out of the pool.
Till next time.